Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you all how you can actually print out your Microsoft Word document. So once you have your document good to go, all you need to do is you can hit Control P using your keyboard as the shortcut, and it'll take you right to the print screen. Or you can come up here to File in the top left. After you click on File, you can come down here to Print, and then you have all the different options available to you. So we'll just kind of walk it through from top to bottom here. So up here, you can decide how many copies you want to print out of your document. Down here, you can go ahead and select your printer. So if you're in an office setting, you may have multiple printers to select from. So just make sure you select the right printer. Down here, you can go ahead and choose, do you want to print out the whole thing? Do you want to print out just the current page? Do you want to set out a custom range? And then over here, if I highlight this, you can kind of see the format that they expect when you're printing out a range of pages from your document. And then if you come down here, you can decide if you want to print on one side or manually print on both sides. You can decide if you want it collated or uncollated. So you can see if it's uncollated, it just prints out page one, page one, page one, then page two, page two, page two. So that's the difference between collated and uncollated. Portrait orientation. So if we decide we want to print it out in landscape, we can just simply select that, and now it'll print it out in landscape. We can also decide what size or what are we printing on? Is it a 8.5 by 11, or is it maybe something that's a little bit bigger or smaller? We can go ahead and select that paper size here. Now we can also go ahead and select the margins. So do we want to keep those 1-inch margins, or do we want to go ahead and change it to maybe 1/2-inch margins? We can go ahead and change that here as well. And you can also do 1 page per sheets, 2 pages per sheets, and then there's also some other stuff here for page setup, which is a little bit more in the weeds, but those are the main settings that you'll be focusing on when you're printing out your documents.